गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स, कैसे हैं आप लोग। उम्मीद करते हैं अच्छे होंगे। चलिए आज स्टार्ट करते हैं कंप्यूटर मॉक। आज हमारा थर्ड मॉक होने वाला है। तो आगे बढ़ने से पहले जो चैनल पे नए हैं सब्सक्राइब कर ले, नोटिफिकेशन बेल ऑन कर ले। चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं, कंटिन्यू करते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, which of the following terms is used for program that automatically submit the search request to several search engine simultaneously। तो इनमें से कौन सा ऑप्शन होगा बताइए। मेटा सर्च इंजन, वेब क्रॉलर्स, टेरा फाइंडर्स, मेगा सर्चर्स, नन ऑफ द एबव। तो राइट आंसर इज मेटा सर्च इंजन्स। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच अमॉन्ग द फॉलोइंग इज द रिबूट वेयर द पावर टू द सिस्टम is physically turned off and back on again, causing an initial boot of the machine। टॉगल, कोल्ड बूटिंग, वार्म बूटिंग, लॉगिंग ऑफ, नन ऑफ दिस। तो इसमें से आंसर क्या होगा, करेक्ट आंसर क्या होगा, कोल्ड बूटिंग। ठीक है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, इफ द ट्रांसमिशन ऑफ पैकेट्स वाज सेंट फ्रॉम वन सेंडर टू मैनी रिसीवर देन दे आर नेम्ड एज। बताइए इसका आंसर, यूनिकास्ट, मल्टीकास्ट, ब्रॉडकास्ट, सेलेक्टिव कास्ट और नन ऑफ दिस। तो राइट आंसर इज ब्रॉडकास्ट। A software program used to monitor the traffic in a network, and hackers may use the snipped data to access important confidential data। Option is mailbomb, spam, sniffers, cookies, none of these। The right answer is sniffers। Next question, the loader generates these addresses at the time when a program is loaded into main memory is known as physical address, logical address, relative address, symbolic address, none of this। The right answer is physical address। Which one of the following data are stored in tree structure and each data is connected with network? Hierarchical model, network model, relational model, all of these or none of these? The answer is network model। What is the term used to refer to a word present on the website which when clicked takes the user to another page or website? Anchor, hyperlink, reference, URL or none of these? Answer is hyperlink। Which part of the hardware compensates the difference between the CPU and the peripheral? Scanner, printer, video card, motherboard, interface। The right answer is interface। Which of the following program is run by BIOS, Basic Input Operating System, Basic Input Output System, to check hardware component are working properly while computer is turned on? Post, DMOS, CMOS or REAP? The right answer is post, power on self test। ठीक है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, today's computer giant IBM was earlier known by different name which was changed in 1924। What was that name? टेबुलेटर मशीन को, कंप्यूटिंग टेबलेटिंग रिकॉर्डिंग को, द टेबुलेटर लिमिटेड, इंटरनेशनल कंप्यूटर लिमिटेड। द करेक्ट आंसर इज कंप्यूटर टेबलेटिंग रिकॉर्डिंग को। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डिवाइस इज यूज टू प्रोसेस कार्ड पेमेंट एट रिटेल लोकेशन? ऑप्शन इज OMR, MICR, EFT, POS, none of this। The correct answer is POS, point of sale। Which one of the following will crash the system and prevent genuine messages from being received? Option is spam, sniffers, virus scanner, mail bomb, none of this। The right answer is mail bomb। A technique for searching special database called data houses looking for related information and patterns is called data redundancy, data mining, data integrity or data programming or none of these। The right answer is data programming। DICE is a computer that offers a computer network service to allow clients to make indirect network connections to other network services। Option is server, proxy server, client, backpage or none of these। Answer is proxy server। Which one of the following shortcut key is used to move the cursor to the beginning of the work area? Option is page up, escape, home, enter, none of these। The correct answer is home। A graph that can fit into one cell and gives the information about the data is known as. Option is chart, flash fill, spark lines, slicer, none of the above. Spark lines. If you wish to limit you what you would see on an Excel worksheet, what data function would you use? Option is sort filter, conditional format, data analysis, or none of these. The correct answer is filter. In SQL, structured query language, which one is used for any changes made during transaction and it does not map to the database? Option is save point, commit, truncate, abort. None of these. The correct answer is abort. The dice folder retains copies of messages that you have started but are not yet ready to send. Option is inbox, send mail, trash, spam, outbox. The correct answer is outbox. What is a special type? Which is a special type of stored procedure that is automatically invoked whenever the data in the table is modified? Option is tripped, trigger, procedure, cursor, or none of these. The correct answer is trigger. Next, the technique that extends storage capacity of main memory beyond the actual size of main memory is called additional storage, extra storage, virtual storage, estimated storage, none of these. The correct answer is virtual storage. A simple automated program that scans the web for specific data and insert into a designated database. Option is web hacking, web mining, web database integration, or web crawler, or none of these. The correct answer is web crawler. The data are stored sequentially on a magnetic tape by which of the following idea? Online application, batch processing application, spreadsheet application, database application. The correct answer is database application. The DAS is a special database that holds information about the computers, user, installed program, and hardware devices. Option is dynamic link library, initialization file, Windows registry, compiler, none of these. The correct answer is Windows registry. A set of information that defines the status of resources allocated to a process is called is process controller, ALU, register unit, or process description, or none of these. The correct answer is process description. If each and every system in the network are connected together, then such a topology are known as. Option is star, bus, ring, mesh, mixed. The correct answer is star. The software tools that enable a user to interact with a computer for a specific purpose are known as dash. Correct option is hardware, network software, shareware, applications, none of these. The correct answer is applications. A program which helps create written documents and lets you go back and make necessary correction is dash. A spreadsheet, personal writer, word printer, word processor, none of these. The correct answer is word processor. If in a computer 16 bits are used to specify address in a RAM, the number of address will be 216, 65,536, 64K, any of the above, or none of the above. The correct answer is any of the above. ICANN is the non-profit corporation which is responsible for allocation of IP address and managing the domain name. What does A represent? A stands for assigned. ठीक है. Presentation of a series of still images on a projection screen or electronic display device is called as video, slideshow, slide runner, movie clip, none of these. The correct answer is slideshow. If you wanted to tell the database management system that a specific attribute contain numbers only, what would you need to set it? Set. Option is data category, data manipulating, data integrity, data type, or none of these. The correct answer is data type. Which of the following will convert all the source code into machine code, creating an executable file? The correct answer is compiler. A graph that can fit into one cell and gives the information about the data is known as dash. Chart, flash fill, spark lines, slicer, none of the above. The right answer is spark lines. If the data is transmitted to all the nodes in the network without routing, it is known as repeating, broadcasting, optimizing, flooding, token passing. Flooding. Which one of the following takes entire program and convert it into object code, which is a typically stored in a file. Compiler, converter, instructor, interpreter, none of these. The correct answer is compiler. Which one brings you through the process of creating a chart by displaying a series of dialog box? Chart area, chart title, chart wizard, legend, none of these. The correct answer is chart wizard. There are different servers for sharing resources or files. What are these servers connected to? Network, frame, mainframe, supercomputer, client, none of these. The correct answer is network. What is the term used for an application which combines the features of more than different applications? Integrated software, a suite, a combo page, high-end, or none of these. Integrated software. Dash is a mechanism of interacting with a computer system or software by typing commands to perform specific tasks. The right answer is करेक्टर यूजर इंटरफेस। ठीक है फ्रेंड, चलिए 40 क्वेश्चन हो गए कंप्लीट मॉक कंप्यूटर का। चलिए देखते हैं कितना करेक्ट है कितना रॉन्ग है। सबमिट करते हैं इसको। देखिए 37.5 स्कोर आया है आउट ऑफ 40, रैंक 10 है। अब देखते हैं परसेंटाइल 98.38% है और एक्यूरेसी 95%। अब चलिए सॉल्यूशन देखते हैं कौन सा रॉन्ग हुआ। A technique for searching special database called data warehouse looking for related information and pattern is called data mining होता है। चलिए 13 नंबर क्वेश्चन रॉन्ग हो गया। क्या इसका आंसर होगा? करेक्ट आंसर डाटा माइनिंग। ठीक है, और देखते हैं एक क्वेश्चन और रॉन्ग हुआ होगा 23rd नंबर। द डाटा आर स्टोर्ड सिक्वेंशली ऑन अ मैग्नेटिक टेप बाय विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग आइडिया। तो ये राइट आंसर होगा इसका बैच प्रोसेसिंग एप्लीकेशन। ठीक है फ्रेंड, इसका राइट आंसर क्या होगा? बैच प्रोसेसिंग एप्लीकेशन। तो ये रहा आज का हम लोग का कंप्लीट मॉक, और अपना स्कोर ज़रूर शेयर कीजिएगा कितना आप 40 में कितना स्कोर कर रहे हैं। ठीक है फ्रेंड्स, चलिए मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। चलिए ठीक है, 2 रॉन्ग हो गया क्वेश्चन और करेक्ट आंसर 38। ठीक है फ्रेंड, चलिए मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। चलिए तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिएगा और नोटिफिकेशन बेल को ऑन कर लीजिएगा और वीडियो को लाइक ज़रूर कीजिएगा। ठीक है, थैंक यू।